Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off back tap on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on touch. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on back tap. Then tap on either double tap or triple tap. And to switch it off, simply select none. Now go back and tap on triple tap and select none as well. And this will essentially allow you to switch off back tap. If you want to turn on back tap, you can choose either to use double tap or triple tap. So tap on one of the options in here, and from the list you can choose double tap to open up the accessibility shortcut. Then you can also choose system shortcuts as well. So we got action button, app switcher, camera, control center, flashlight, go home, and so on. There are a lot of different assignments or features you can assign to double tap. So in here you can choose a shortcut as well. So you can set a shortcut to double tap, scroll gestures, and accessibility settings. So for example, if I choose to double tap for zoom, so if I double tap on this, then my screen will zoom in, and if I double tap on it again, it will zoom out. And that's it. So that is the double tap feature. If you want to use triple tap, you can tap on triple tap and then choose one of the function. And if I double tap on that, triple tap if I triple tap, that will turn on the flashlight. And if I triple tap 3 times, it will turn off the flashlight. And that's it. That is how you can switch on or turn off back tap on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.